Imagine being able to trade the Forex market with a consistent profit of $100 every hour, no matter what's happening in the world. This may sound too good to be true, but with the right strategy, it's entirely possible. In this video, we're going to dive into a 5-minute Forex scalping strategy that works, and I'll show you how to backtest it to see its potential. To start, let's define what scalping is. Scalping involves making multiple small trades in a short period, usually within a few minutes. This strategy can be high risk, high reward, but with the right rules in place, it can be incredibly profitable. Our strategy will be based on the euro to US dollar currency pair, which is one of the most liquid and traded pairs in the market. Now, let's talk about the parameters of our strategy. We'll be using a 5-minute chart to trade, and we'll be looking for a specific type of candlestick pattern called the hammer. A hammer is a bullish reversal pattern that forms when the price closes above the midpoint of the candle. To qualify as a hammer, the candle